Well, it improved my skills. I am a wave planner at work. So a lot of times I do have to send emails. A lot of times I may have to um, do a pivot table, do something in Excel, which is very big with our company. They love using Excel. It has helped me a lot because now I know how to change the colors. I know how to just do the basics in Microsoft Excel, which gives me kind of like a foot up the next ladder. So the next time maybe another position comes open, I have those basic skills to apply to my resume to move on to the next step. I'm planning on retiring maybe, I don't know, the way the economy is, maybe 10 years from now. But these skills are implanted in my head. So not only can I use them at work, I can use them at home to do my budget, to do my shopping list. I can also help my grandkids, when it comes to them doing maybe certain things for school, I'll be able to sit down and help them without feeling embarrassed.